Hi, district administrators and employees. Why is it that in today's technological-driven society, schools and institutions alike still handle many of the tasks for hiring with a manual, labor-intensive process? Why is it that the vetting of a newly hired educator takes up approximately 70% of the hiring process? The answer is that it shouldn't. Educators' background verifications are currently processed using phone calls, fax, and/or emails, which can be very unreliable, often leading to lost paperwork and constant resubmission. This, in turn, has an impact on educators' salary and the school's system budget, and whether a potential candidate is hired or not. Imagine if there was an online platform where background information for educators can be verified before you attempt any engagement with a trustworthy seal and then made available on the web for it to be accessible nationwide. Well, say hello to VeriTeach. We've created a web-based application that not only allows for previous histories that an educator has to carry a verified by VeriTeach seal, but to also be accessible to various institutions online nationwide, creating a digital resume that is always accurate and available, effectively reducing staff time needed to completely vet a potential employee. This platform was designed with K-12 school employees in mind, and we hope that you find it useful as well. Thank you.